Today I have a Ford and I'm going to show you how to reset the windows on a Ford vehicle. All right, so when you have a Ford vehicle, sometimes the windows will need to be reset. For instance, if you have a battery change, the windows need to be reset because the automatic feature with the windows no longer works, and you'll have to reset that. You could do this with all of the windows inside of the vehicle, this process to reset the windows. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. With that being said, let's go ahead and reset the windows. So I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of my Ford. Now to reset the windows, I'm going to have to go over to the window. And I'm going to reset the driver's side window. You can reset all of the other ones in a similar fashion, okay? But I'm going to be over here in the driver's side, and the window's currently all the way up. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take the window all the way down. All right. And when it gets down, I'm going to hold this button all completely down for 2 to 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then when I'm doing that, I'm going to immediately pull back on this and let it come all the way up. And once it reaches up, I'm going to do the same thing. Hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to repeat the process, push all the way down. And once it gets down, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to do this, pull it back up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to release it. And when I release it, the window is now reset. Okay, so now the automatic feature is ready, and I can just press this and look at it, rolls all the way down just like that automatically, and then pull it all the way back, it goes up automatically like that. And that is how you reset the windows inside of a Ford vehicle. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.